Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I attempted doing this hair blowout kind of hairstyle and it turned out to be pretty good, so I'm sharing the tutorial with you all. So for this I will use only this hair mousse as a texture product. So yes, you have to be ready for all the disasters possible. And I spilled a lot of the mousse on my bed, but that's fine. Being an adult, I still have that बच्ची in my दिल, तो मैं थोड़ा कीनने लगी थी. That's fine यार. देखो, मुझे realize हो गया था कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही mousse ले लिया, इसलिए मेरी शक्ल ऐसी बन गई थी. And the mousse is actually very sticky. So what I'm gonna use is this. They're like Velcro rollers and my hair blow brush. So I'm using this one by Iconic Me. I have recently posted a full review of this brush, so please check that out. First, we'll use this later, like the crown section. So I'm just gonna section this part. Yahan pe I might look weird this time, but everyone does look weird at this time, so please. तो क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने से ही हेयर्स बचे हैं, सो मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 सेक्शंस होंगे. प्लीज़ आई एम श्योर कि तुम लोग के पास ही बहुत कम ही बाल बचे हैं. सो बेसिकली द टेक्निक इज़ लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू टेक द हेयर ब्लो ब्रश फ्रॉम अंडर योर हेयर्स एंड देन थोड़ा सा प्रेशर आपको लगाना है टुवर्ड्स द एंड. तो आप धीरे धीरे से करके लेके जाओगे टुवर्ड्स द एंड एंड देन यू हैव टू रोटेट द कर्लर or the brush. Specifically you have to put a lot of pressure towards the end of the brush. I'm repeating, towards the end. And जैसे ही आपका pressure बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाएगा, you know, I mean you will get the feel that you are frying your hairs. You can do something like this जहाँ अपने brush को आप ऊपर लेके जाओगे, बार बार इसको twist करते करते, and then you have to hold the brush there for a few minutes. You can turn off the heat if you want. If you want to like just copy Dyson, you can do it, but yes, that's how I'm gonna hold it. And इसको निकालना इज़ अ टास्क, सो बी पेशेंट, डू लाइक आई एम डूइंग. तो मैं धीरे धीरे इसको उल्टा करके लेके गई जहाँ से मैं लेकर आई थी, एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड अगेन आई एम जस्ट गोना रोटेट एज आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि मेरे बाल मेरे ब्रश से निकल जाए. तो मैं कोई प्रेशर नहीं लगा रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट ट्विस्टिंग इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट माई हेयर्स आउट फ्रॉम द ब्रश. आई होप दिस टेक्निक इज़ सो सिंपल. यू नो, इट्स माई हैबिट टू कन्फर्म. समझ आया कि नहीं? बिकॉज आई एम एक्चुअली अ टीचर. एनीवेज, now comes the final step, which is the velcro roller. So you have to make sure कि आप अपने सारे जो बालों के ends को अच्छे से अपने velcro rollers में फंसा रहे हो, and then you need to make sure that you are just turning the way I am doing. Make sure सारे बाल आपके velcro rollers में attach हो जाए, and then secure it with a pin. Now see, I have been trying to do this, like I have attempted this particular hair thing multiple times after watching multiple YouTube tutorials. So you know, they will use a lot of things like texture spray, they'll use different tools and all, but I figured out that it's just the mousse which gives you the volume once it dried out. जब मैं अपने बालों का फाइनल लुक दिखाऊंगी आपको, उसमें दिखेगा कि मेरे बालों में कुछ वाइट वाइट है. नाउ टू बी स्पेसिफिक एंड टू बी क्लियर, वो सारा मेरा मूज है बालों का जो कि मैंने एक्सेस लगाया था, एंड दैट एक्सेस मूज ट्राइड आउट, एंड वो इतना ड्राई हो गया कि मेरे बालों में ही रह गया. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल दैट यू यूजिंग द मूज in a appropriate quantity. I used it way too much, and that's why I somehow ruined the hair, like the look of the hair tutorial. And yeah, this step, like the star of the show, and these are the most complicated part of a hair. What is wrong with this? ये खुल क्यों रहा है? It can look damn weird, but ठीक. Step is actually very complicated because this is actually something which gives you the look. So make sure आप अपने बालों से ये ब्रश ऊपर की तरफ से नीचे की तरफ हर जगह से अपने बालों को आप अच्छे से ब्रश थ्रू कर रहे हो with a different hair settings. That's what I am doing. And उसके बाद मुझे literally लगा कि I literally fried my hairs, guys. Just for the video? No, I like the hairs. Frying everything out. Anyways, I like the whole texture that my hair is gonna get. Let's see. Yeah, and I need to secure something here. Now we have to wait. We have to wait for 15-20 minutes. इतना टाइम मेरे पास है नहीं, so I'm just gonna not wait that much, but still I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. Okay, so I'm finally back. I somehow managed to put this dress on. It was a battle, but yes, I'm back. And I also put on some red lipstick because apparently I feel confident in red. I don't know what my hair is gonna turn out, so it's better to be confident. That's why. Okay, so this is the curl. Okay, I have good hopes. Like, I see it coming. Come on, you better be good, man. Okay. ये गया, ये अच्छा नहीं है बिकॉज दिख ही रहा होगा, दिस इज लाइक टू मेसी। हाँ, ये मेरे बालों से अटक गया है, वैसे निकालो। ट्विस्ट ट्विस्ट एंड ट्विस्ट बेटर, you better be good, bro. Twist 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 twist. Okay, I can see some volume, but see, again, this is a technique that I've learned, that you have to twist your hairs and the whole velcro rollers before you get them out, so that it gives you that something something effect. And bro, see, I have got some volume from my raw hairs, and that white things that you can spot like snow, they are literally the mousse, like the dried up mousse. I don't know what to do with them, but yes, I somehow got them. And once I open my hairs, you need to just shake your hairs like properly, okay, fix it, and then set it, and you will get to see what you came up with. This is my look of satisfaction. My hairs are looking so good. I'm so blowouts. So this is how my hairs turned out. Only concern was this snowy looking thing on my hairs, but yeah, at the end it's all worth it because I got the hairs of my dream. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.